Welcome to the Marzinski Trailhead Campground. This campground is located in the Manistee National Forest, just east of Manistee. The roads going back into the campground are level and easy to drive on for any size rig. There are 21 designated campsites. Some of the amenities include a fire pit and picnic table at each campsite, a pit toilet, a hand pump water well, along with parking and picnic area for the trails. There is no trash cans or dumpsters, so please pack out. All campsites are very spacious. There are numerous different sizes to choose from. Only a couple campsites offer a pull-through light capability. By our observations, campsites like number 11 are very large, which would be capable of holding a couple people in a group. As far as cell service goes, there was no T-Mobile, but we were able to pull and stream with Visible, that is through Verizon towers. If you are looking to visit Lake Michigan, see a cute little town and lighthouses, we recommend the Marzinski Trailhead Campground to stay.